Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of agriculture. In today's video, we're going to take you through the entire process of lettuce farming. So, let's dive right in. Lettuce, the most popular salad crop, has a rich history dating back to ancient Egypt. Previously, Europe and North America were the leading producers of lettuce, but its production and consumption have now spread worldwide. In fact, China currently holds the title for the largest lettuce producer, followed closely by the United States. India also ranks third in commercial lettuce production. Lettuce is classified into four major categories: head lettuce, Romanian lettuce, leafy lettuce, and stem lettuce. The health benefits of lettuce vary according to the varieties of lettuce. Lettuce is a source of vitamin K and vitamin A, which helps strengthen bones and eye health. Almost all lettuces contain a significant amount of vitamins A and K, along with small amounts of vitamin C and iron. To begin the lettuce cultivation process, sow the seeds on prepared raised nursery beds or trays. Mix fertilizers, such as sulfate and thiamat, with the soil and cover the seeds with a mixture of sand and compost. When seedlings have grown to the appropriate size, they are ready to be transplanted in the field. Lettuce is growing well in well-drained, fertile soil with a pH of about 6.0. Before sowing the seeds or transplanting seedlings, it's crucial to prepare the field properly. Experienced farmers recommend plowing the land deeply to create a friable and fine-tilled stage, and applying compost or well-rotted manure about a week before planting. Lettuce prefers constantly moist soil and cool temperatures, with an average air temperature of 10 to 20 degrees Celsius. Seedlings should be transplanted with a spacing of 45 by 45 centimeters or 45 by 30 centimeters. Lettuce requires proper irrigation to achieve high yields and quality production. Lettuce plants have shallow roots and prefer frequent, but smaller irrigation sessions. During hot summer months, daily irrigation may be necessary, and shading can help protect the plants. It's essential to keep the soil consistently moist while avoiding excessive watering. Weeding is an important task in lettuce farming, as the crops have shallow roots. Careful weeding should be done to avoid disturbing the lettuce plants. Finally, it's time for the much-anticipated harvest. Lettuce can be harvested when they reach their full size or marketable stage. The harvesting can be done by hand or by cutting the plant just above the soil surface. After harvesting, it's important to ensure proper storage conditions, with a temperature of 4 to 5 degrees Celsius and 95% relative humidity. This helps to maintain the freshness and quality of the lettuce. And there you have it, the complete process of lettuce farming. We hope you found this journey through the lettuce farming process informative and fascinating. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more agricultural insights.